Welcome to Gamified EduTech, where learning meets fun. Today we're excited to showcase one of our popular resources, double-digit multiplication games. Multiply 2x2-digit pixel art dogs. With 100 questions and delightful dog-themed pixel art, this digital tool makes multiplication practice engaging for students. Let's dive into what it offers. Available in our Gamified EduTech store, this resource is a digital multiplication activity built in Google Sheets. It focuses on 2x2-digit problems, such as 46 times 28. Students solve each question and enter their answers to reveal a mystery pixel art image of a dog. The pack includes 5 unique sheets, each with 20 questions, totaling 100 problems. It's an interactive way to strengthen key math skills. What sets this resource apart? First, it's self-checking. Correct answers unlock parts of the pixel art, while incorrect answers encourage students to try again. No grading needed. Second, it's highly engaging. Watching the dog picture come together keeps students motivated as they solve each problem. Third, it's no prep. Simply share the Google Sheets link, and it's ready to use in classrooms, homeschooling, or remote learning. This is education with a gamified edge from Gamified EduTech. Here's how it works. Assign 1 sheet, 2 sheets, or all 5, each featuring a unique dog design. To customize, make your master copy, create a secondary copy of the worksheet, and delete the sheets you'd assign next time. Students open it in Google Sheets, solve a problem like 53 times 17, and input their answer, say 901. If correct, the picture begins to form. Designed for 4th grade learners, it's also great for 3rd graders seeking a challenge or 5th graders needing review. Use it for homework, math centers, or a fun practice session. This resource also includes an answer key for easy reference, though its self-checking design simplifies the process. At Gamified EduTech, we're committed to creating tools that make learning fun. Want to bring this to your students? Visit our Gamified EduTech store. Find the link in the description below. Discover this and more to gamify your educational journey. Thank you for watching. If you liked this preview, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more from Gamified EduTech. Elevate learning with our resources. See you next time.